Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 4, simple equation. We are attending the questions in exercise 4.2, the question number 4. In previous video, we attending the 4 part of question number 4, part A, B, C and D. Now, from part E. Part E is 3p upon 4 is equal to 6. Solve the following equation means find the value of p. How to separate the p? Here is multiply by 3 and divide by 4. We will remove the divide by 4, so we will multiply by 4. Multiply the equation by 4. The equation is 3p upon 4 equal to 6. Now multiply by 4. Here is multiply by 4, multiply by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 3p is equal to 6 into 4, 24. Now separate the p. Here is multiply by 3. Opposite is divide. So we will divide by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. 3p is equal to 24. Now dividing both sides by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. P is equal to 24 upon 3, 8. So answer is p is equal to 8. Now part F. F is 3s is equal to minus 9. The equation is 3s is equal to minus 9. Separate the s. Find the value of s. Here is multiply by 3. So we will divide by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. The equation is 3s is equal to minus 9. Dividing the both side by 3. Divide by 3 and divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. S is equal to minus 3. The solution is s is equal to minus 3. Now I am taking another part G. Part G is 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. In S there are multiply by 3 and plus 12. First of all we will attend plus and minus. So here is plus 12, so we will minus 12. Subtracting. Subtracting by 12 in both sides. The equation is 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now subtracting by 12 in both sides. Minus 12 and minus 12. 12 and 12 cancel. 3s. Here is minus 12. Now multiply by 3. So we will divide by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. The equation is 3s is equal to minus 12. Now dividing by 3. Dividing by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. S is equal to 4 times minus 4. Answer is s is equal to minus 4. Now next one H. 3s is equal to 0. 3s is equal to 0. This is our equation. Here is multiply by 3. So we will divide by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. 3s is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now dividing by 3. Divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. S 0 upon any number, the answer is 0. 0 upon any number, answer is 0. So answer is S is equal to 0. Now taking next one, I 2q is equal to 6. 2q is equal to 6. This is our equation. The variable is q, multiplying by 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. 2q is equal to 6. This is our equation. Now dividing by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Q is equal to 6 upon 2. Answer is 3. Q is equal to 3 is a solution of given equation. Now next one, J. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Multiply and subtract. There are the two operations, multiply and subtract. First of all, we will attend plus and minus. Here is minus 6, so we will plus 6. Adding 6 in both sides. Here is minus 6, so we will plus 6. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now plus 6 in both sides. Plus 6 plus 6. 6 minus 6 0. So this is our 2q. 0 plus 6, answer is 6. Now multiply by 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. The equation is 2q is equal to 6. Now dividing by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. This is our q. 6 upon 2, answer is 3. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is K. 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Here is a term of multiply and add. First of all, we will remove the plus 6. Subtracting 6 in both sides. The equation is 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Now subtracting 6, minus 6 and minus 6. This 6 minus 6 is 0, cancel out. 2q. Here is 0 minus 6 is minus 6. Now dividing by 2. Here is multiply by 2, so dividing the equation by 2. 2q is equal to minus 6. Now dividing by 2. Divide 2, divide 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Q is equal to, here is minus. Minus 6 by 2 is 3. Then q is equal to minus 3 is our answer. Next part is part L. 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Solve the equation means find the value of q. Here is multiply and plus. First of all, we will remove the plus sign. Subtracting by 6 in both sides. The equation is 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Now subtracting 6, minus 6 and minus 6. Subtracting 6, 6 and 6, minus 6. Now plus 6 minus 6 cancel out. 2q, 2q. 12 minus 6, answer is 6. Now how to separate q? Here is multiply by 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. 2q is equal to 6. Now dividing by 2. Divide by 2 and divide by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Q is equal to 3. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise. Now in exercise 4.3, question number first, solve the following equation, means find the value of variable by separating. Now first question, 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Here is multiply and addition. First of all, we will remove plus and minus. So here is plus 5 by 2, so we will subtract 5 by 2. Subtracting 5 by 2 in both sides. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. This is our equation. Now minus 5 by 2 in both sides. Minus 5 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. Plus and minus here cancel, the 2y. Now I am taking LCM, the number is same, so this is our LCM is 2. 2 dividing 2, answer is 1, multiply 37. 2 dividing 2, answer is 1, multiply minus 5. So 2y is equal to 37 minus 5, 32, divide by 2. We can cut this number, 16. Now 2y is equal to 16. Here is multiply by 2, so we will divide. Dividing the equation by 2. The equation is 2y is equal to 16. Now dividing by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Y is equal to 8. This is our answer. Y is equal to 8 is our answer. Taking next question, B. 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. This is our equation. Multiply and plus. First of all, we will attend the plus, so we will minus. Subtracting 28 in both sides. The equation is 5t plus 28 is equal to 10. This is our equation. Now minus 28 in both sides. Minus 28 and minus 28. Here is plus 28 minus 28 cancel. 5t. Now here 10 minus 28, the operation is subtraction, so we will 28 minus 10, answer is 18. The larger number is minus, so answer is minus 18. 28 minus 10, answer is 18. The larger number having minus sign, so answer is minus 18. Now here is multiply by 5, so we will divide by 5. Dividing the equation by 5. Equation is 5t is equal to minus 18. Now divide by 5 both sides. 5 and 5 cancel. t is equal to minus 18 upon 5. This is our answer. Taking next one, C, a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. Divide and addition. First of all, we will solve the addition term. Here is plus 3, so we will minus 3. Subtracting 3 in both sides. Equation is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. This is our equation. Now minus 3 in both sides. Minus 3 and minus 3. 3 and 3 cancel. A upon 5. 2 minus 3. Answer is minus 1. Now how to separate a? Here is divide by 5, so we will multiply by 5. Multiply by 5 in both sides. A by 5 is equal to minus 1. Now multiply by 5 and multiply by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. A is equal to minus 5. This is our answer. When we multiply by 5, 5 and 5 will be cancelled. A is equal to minus 5 is our answer. Now next one, part D, solve the equation, means find the value of Q. Part D. Q upon 4 plus 7 is equal to 5. This is our question. Divide and addition. First of all, we will solve the plus sign. So here is plus 7, so we will minus 7. Subtracting by 7 in both sides. The equation is Q upon 4 plus 7 equal to 5. Now minus 7, minus 7. 7 and 7 cancel. Here is Q by 4. Q by 4 minus 2. Now here is a term of divide, so we will multiply. Multiply by 4 in both sides. The equation is Q by 4 is minus 2. Q by 4 is equal to minus 2. Now multiply by 4. Multiply by 4. 4 and 4 cancel. Q is equal to minus 8. This is our answer. You can take